Hi, welcome to Mikey Toons. Today we're going to draw Max from Dragon Tales. So grab your marker and follow along with me. So let's start with the right eye first. I'm just going to draw a little upwards curve and on this side as well. And we're going to draw a sort of a teardrop shape eye. And I'll do the same on this side. And as usual, we're just going to draw the pupil. And then of course, the light reflections in the upper corner. Now let's fill the pupils in. And right above the eyes, we're just going to draw a sort of a check mark, which would be our eyebrows. And then right between the eyes, just below, we're going to draw a little nose. There we go. A little nose, and then just below that, a little smile off to the side, like so. And a little indicator for the bottom lip. Now on the side, or let's start first with the ear. I'm just going to draw a lot of a spoon shape with her inner line. And now we can draw the jawline and the forehead. I'm going to start with the forehead. Then the cheek. I'm going to go down and I'm just going to draw a little chin. And then from there, just around to the ear. And there's our head. Now we can draw the hair. I'm going to start in the middle. I'm just going to draw a few curves to indicate my hair everywhere. And I'm going to continue. And then I'll just bring it down to the ear on this side. On this side, let's just draw a few marks there and just connect it to the forehead. Now we can draw the hair. I'm going to start here at the top. I'm just going to draw a few pieces of hair. And I'm just at the back, bring it back to the ear. And then on this side, we'll do the same thing and we'll draw the hair. I'm just going to do it like this so I can see. Maybe I'll do this one and then I'll do a nice piece reaching all the way back to that part of the hair. Bring it down, the sideburns, and then a little ear sticking out on the side as well. And now we can draw the neck. So we're going to draw two straight lines down and then connect it. And the collar, you're going to start here at the back, make it square both sides, and then you're just going to connect the line with a nice curve. And now we can go back down to the body. First of all, I'm just going to draw how big or how long I want my torso to be. And now from here I have an indicator and I can just draw my sleeves. And I'll do the same on this side, the shoulder, take it down, I'll take the sleeve and there as well. Good. And then maybe just make a line to connect it like this. Before we go on, let's draw the arms. I'm going to start on this side and I'm going to draw the upper arm, then the forearm, and I'm going to go down to the fingers. And on this side, nice curvy arm as well. Now we can draw the pants and then we'll get back to the arm. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw the front of the pants there. And below that, I'm going to draw the leg. Just a nice curve down. And on this side, another curve for the leg. And on the side, bring it down about the same level. And here I'll just make a little curve and I'll bring it down like this as well. I think we can finish up with his jeans. There we go. Now we can go back to the arm and I'll draw this arm, make it a nice curve, and I'll just draw a few fingers. And now for the shoes. Now it's time for the shoes. I'm going to draw two lines down, then draw the bottom of the shoe out, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. And here I'll make a nice curve and connect the shoe. And on this side we'll do the same thing, a nice curve, connect it, and maybe two circles. And now for the soles. And I just draw the sole on each side as well. There we go. And there's Max. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.